So today we're going to talk about avoiding partial answers. Partial answers are the answers that you need to get your absolute final answer, but they're not the answer themselves. So they kind of lead to what we're finally looking for, what the final question is. Another name for these are intermediate answers. I have to have that work done before I can actually get to the end. So the test is kind of trying to catch you hurrying, trying to catch you not paying attention. Maybe you're worried about your time and they're trying to catch you off guard. So, one example that's a little bit easier would be something like this. So, they give you an equation, and our first move here would be, well, I need to get x by itself, so let's subtract 7 over. And when you do so, it equals -1. However, -1 is not our answer. I have not solved for x yet. So I would cross C off my list because -1 is not my final answer. I go ahead and multiply both sides by 5. Again, -5 is an option. -5 is on a side by itself. So they're trying to get you to answer -5 because you're not quite done yet. And my final answer is D. Um, so really the main idea here is they're trying to get you uh, to look at some of your work being done, looking for that answer in the answers, finding it and saying, okay, that's it, when really you need to keep going. Another example would be something like this. So this says we're going to make a pie chart to display plans for the senior class, and it gives you some percentages here. 15 are going to go to work, 40 are going to state, 35 are going to private, and 10% are going to the military. And then now the question says how many degrees, so that's kind of important, degrees will the combined university and college bound take up on the pie chart? So our final question is about degrees, but everything they gave us is in percentages. So if you take the 40 and 35 added together, which is the state and private universities and colleges added together, I get 75. However, the answer is not 75. It says how many degrees will the combined university and college take up on a pie chart, meaning a circle. A pie chart is a giant circle. So they don't want to know 75%. They're trying to get at 75% of 360 degrees, which is a circle. That would be 270 degrees. So if you can envision a pie chart, that's what we're looking at. 75% of a circle is 270 degrees. So they're trying to catch you answering too quickly, getting too excited, seeing a 75 there, thinking, oh my gosh, that's it. And you answer that and move on. That's incorrect. So, most important way to not get caught is to reread the final question.